Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer SUI from Binance to SUI Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open Binance on your browser and navigate to the Assets section. From the left side menu, select the Spot tab, then click on Withdraw in the top right corner. In the Withdrawal section, search for SUI and select it as the coin you want to transfer. Next, open your SUI Wallet app and go to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Here, you can add a network if needed. Once done, go back to the Home tab and copy your wallet address. Now, return to Binance and paste your SUI wallet address into the withdrawal field. Select the correct network for the transaction, then enter the amount of SUI you want to withdraw. Double-check all the details to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Once everything is set, click Withdraw to initiate the transfer. You may be required to complete security verifications before the transaction is processed. After confirming, wait for the transfer to be completed, which may take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. So that's basically how you can transfer SUI from Binance to SUI Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.